In this video, you will learn about a new working method that will allow you to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. Hello everyone. As you know, YouTube recently removed the code that allowed us to check monetization on a channel. So, I started looking for an alternative method to check the monetization of someone else's channel. And I found a website that works 100% and shows truthful information. But before I show you this website, I wanted to say that I have prepared a bonus for you. Out of it is a list of categories and niches with examples of channels from low-income to high-income categories. Opposite each channel, there is data on RPM. How to get this file, I will tell you in the second half of this video. So, let's get started. In Google search, type ytlrg.com. To go to the first link, to next, click on YouTube, Monetization Checker. Here, you will need to insert a link to the channel or a specific video. For monetization check, I will take Mr. Beast's channel. I must copy the link and paste it into this line, enter the code and press enter. Hours after this, the channel analysis takes place, in which we see that the channel is monetized. Various information is provided about it. Among other things, we can find out the approximate income, learn the average RPM across different categories, and much more. There is also the possibility to download the channel's avatar and cover photo. Now, let's check the monetization on another channel that does not have monetization. Select a channel, copy the link, and paste it into this window. Wait for the information to load. Here, we see that the channel indeed does not have monetization, which is true. Now, let's check the monetization on a specific video. Select one of Mr. Beast's videos, copy the link, then go to the website for monetization checking. Paste the link and press enter. We see that the site indicates that the video is monetized. Next, we can find out the publication time, the approximate income, and average RPM are shown. We can also read the description and learn other information. As the site is very cool. The link to it will be in the description under the video. And I have not forgotten about the file with the list of niches. To get it, you need to like this video, write a comment under this video, and subscribe to the channel. In response to your comment, you will receive a link to download this file. And if you want to learn how to earn money on YouTube, watch my next videos.